You know, I find it really hard to do artwork sometimes when my little friend, Manfred Von Rinh, otherwise known as Manny, is always coming around when I'm doing artwork. I think the subject matter may have attracted him this time, maybe. It must have got his attention in some way because he kept getting in the way as I was drawing. But anyway, welcome to Mind Vomit. In this video, I'm drawing out a cardinal for the first time. I've never drawn a cardinal, and I'm going to paint one with oil paints, which I also have never done before, on my art vision board. And so before I usually do anything, I kind of sketch it out, try to understand the figure or what I'm drawing, so that I have an understanding of it before I just jump into things and start doing it. So in this video, that's what I'm doing. I'm drawing the cardinal. As I look at the reference photo, I'm learning about how the feathers lay, what the feathers look like. At first, I start out kind of not really sure what I'm doing, but eventually it just starts to kind of click, and I start to understand how the feathers and everything lay, and kind of sketching out shadowed areas and then coming back and coloring them in darker. And of course, Manfred shows up and slows me down a little bit, but whatever, it was a fun process, and I was actually really surprised how well this cardinal turned out considering I never drew one before. I hope you enjoy the video. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more artistic content, check out my other videos. I keep trying new things all the time, trying to just push my limits and keep doing stuff I'm interested in, and hopefully you're interested in too. And thanks for watching.